Hello guys! I just received this new LED light from Ulanzi, which is called VL66. This is a tunable white, which contains two sets of LEDs. One is warm red and one is cold white. And you can mix this together with a button. Let's do a quick unboxing and take a look at how it looks. Okay, let's open the box. I'm sorry for the noise. This is plastic, so it makes hard noises. There we are. Let's see what we get here. We get a note, quality pass, and plastic silica gel, moist absorbent. You get an USB cable to the USB-C, which is a good one, not the old micro USB. And of course you have a manual, which are in Chinese and English. Yes? And you have some technical data. The interesting one is this 2500 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. That is the warm and the cold. Yeah, you can pause the film if you like to check out the data. The interesting thing about this is this nice... I love the manual buttons instead of this digital. Here you can adjust the intensity of the light, and here you can adjust the warm and cold. And it's stepless, it's just a standard potentiometer. To start it, you long press this one, and here we go. And then let's see straight away how this is working. Here we have the color, cold, white, and warm. And then you have the intensity. Wow, look at that, extremely bright. And you can of course mix it all in between. On the back side you also have four LEDs that shows the charge of the battery inside. This one has 3 left, so it's a good charge. This is straight from the package. Let's see if I can turn it off. Where is it? There we have it. Long press and it stops. Yeah. There we go. There we can see it. You can see the dial. Fantastic. I did test this light at my at work today. I have a light laboratory. So the two colors, which they claim to be 2500 Kelvin and 6500 Kelvin, is not quite accurate, but very close. Because if you look at this file from the laboratory, we can see that the blue color is 6051 approximately Kelvins. And the red one is 2862 Kelvins. But that's still close enough for me, so and for everyone else. And this is how it can look like if you have a phone, light, Ulanzi holder, and the light, which also can be tilted all the way around. There are no cables attached, so you can twist it like this if you like. You cannot turn it that way, because here is no hinge, something like that. Just this way, it should be more than enough. Amazingly set up, fantastic. I dig it. Nice product again from Ulanzi. Okay, then we have it, I think. So That's all I can tell you really about this one. So thanks for watching, guys, and hope to see you again later. Bye.